And then it is finally time for Abby's favorite part of her morning routine, which is
brushing my teeth.
Yes, this was not always Abby's favorite part. She used to hesitate a lot when it came to her oral hygiene, but thankfully we learned about AutoBrush, and it has made brushing her teeth not only an independent task for her, but also a really fun one. So a huge thank you to AutoBrush for sponsoring today's video. We have actually been using AutoBrush for kids for just shy of a year now. I think that we got our toothbrush in September of 2019, I believe. And the first week that we got it, Abby was actually brushing her teeth like 4 times a day, all by herself, completely independently and totally by choice, which was such a win for us as parents. Switching from a regular automatic toothbrush that she was using to using the AutoBrush for kids has made such an impact on her daily life and has made that part of her morning routine so much easier and so much more enjoyable. We love implementing tools for her just to allow her to be an independent, typical 6-year-old. It's just so important to us that we set her up to succeed for her future. So we are so happy to be partnering with AutoBrush for this video to hopefully share about AutoBrush for a fellow warrior or fellow family that might also benefit from implementing a tool like the AutoBrush. This is Abby's right here. She currently has Ziggy the Zebra, and this is the same toothbrush that we actually got about a year ago, and it's held up so well. We're so happy with it. So AutoBrush is an automatic toothbrush that is designed to effectively brush all teeth at once. In addition to the adorable jungle friend design, there is a light and sound function that really makes brushing so fun. Abby is even able to put her AutoBrush back onto its wireless charger so that it is ready for later that day. No need for batteries, nothing like that. And like I mentioned before, this has allowed Abby to have the ability to brush her teeth completely independently while having fun at the same time. AutoBrush is actually offering Abby's friends 10% off of your purchase when you click the link in our description and use code M&ABBY on their website. I will have it typed out below and typed out on the screen. So again, thank you so much to AutoBrush for sponsoring today's video.